wanted to make it a dress, but I didn't do it. So I think if I sew this down, it's not terrible. Like, I could get away with it as a shirt. I have been waiting for this day for a very long time. It's been about 2 weeks since I've made my signature long sleeve. It looks like this. I made it from a blanket. I love it. And now I want to make more to have in my shop to give to you guys. I love a big sleeve, but they're always kind of in the way. Pinch the sleeve and it gives it a nice little ruffle detail. And I've had these two materials sitting in my storage for years now, and it's time to use them up. It's a self-drafted pattern, and I don't actually have the pattern drawn out. I've just been using my coat pattern to kind of fake it till I make it. So grab your juice and let's get creative. I have my two pieces cut out. I think cutting out the fabric is the part that I dislike the most, and that's what stops me from sewing. But I have the main body pieces cut out. What I have left are the sleeves, which I'm going to use the fabric that is just under where I cut my pieces out. I like to use every bit of fabric that I can. I have a trick on how I make my sleeves without having a physical pattern. I'm going to show you that, but first I'm going to attach the two pieces together by the shoulders so that they're no longer separate. Done it. All of the pieces are cut out, and now I'm ready to sew them all together. I'm just going to attach the sleeves by matching the curve of where I cut. Then I'm just going to give it a serge. I'm quite enjoying how this looks with my pants. Might have to keep this one as a trial project, because I honestly don't know how the knit is going to wear over time. I'm always so hesitant with my seams. I don't want them ripping apart, which is why I love to offer future mending to anyone locally who buys my creations, because I want them to last. I want them to be in your closet for a long time, and I care about that. So yeah, I'll wear this, give it a few washes, see how it holds up, but yeah. I feel like a bat. So what I do to create my little bunched sleeve is honestly just take the sleeve and then just pinch it up and kind of figure out where you want it to sit on your hand. I like mine like right above my wrist. And so I'm just gonna flip it there and make sure that it's like the top of the sleeve. After you see how it sits on you, adjust accordingly. I'm going to take it off and just do a straight stitch. It really depends on what your fabric is like, but now I've got my little thing. Gonna do the other one. And that's shirt number 1. I haven't finished the edges. I just gave them a serge so that they don't fall apart. But I'm thinking of kind of leaving them and seeing how I want to continue. I think I would like to expand the neckline. make it out just a little bit more, just so when you have a choker on, it kind of sits just perfectly there. I'm giving myself some room to play just because this is a new design for me, and I'm loving just the slouchy look that it gives, especially with these pants. I like these two together. So it's later in the evening and I've drafted up another version of the shirt but in a purple fabric, and I'm beginning to realize that like if the fabric isn't interesting or if it's just like a plain color, it just looks like a badly made shirt, which is kind of a little discouraging. I've drawn out a new neckline because this one is just like too high and I don't like it. And so now, since I have like a base layer to work with, now I can kind of make it mystical. I want to do something with the sleeves. I don't want to just leave them baggy. Take that part off and then bring it down. I don't think I want it as long. This is the fun part about sewing, is that you can make your base layer and then you can alter it to however you want. Just, yeah, I think changing the neckline will be step number one, and I'm gonna go from there. I really wanted to make it a dress, but I didn't do it. So I think if I sew this down, it's not terrible. Like, I could get away with it as a shirt. I'm not measuring how much I'm taking off the sides right now, which is not the best idea because now I don't know how much to take off, but I'm just winging it, honestly. I'm having fun. It's been a while since I've had fun with sewing. I actually have no idea how this works, but you know those shirts where you have like off the shoulder cowl neck / hood type thing? That didn't work. This is very cozy with a hood. It has the perfect drape. I guess I'm making a kind of like a hoodie. Long sleeve, cozy shirt. Yeah, what I'm gonna do in the future is I think leave it like this for now, but I'm going to crop it and then add like a waistband like this. I think it will be really cute. But yeah, this is the finished product. I'm stoked. I guess this is the end of the video. Stay tuned for more sewing projects that you can do at your house, and let's be creative together. Bye!